Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Today on our menu list, we are preparing bean stew with ripe plantain, also known as red bread. So as you can see, this is our ingredients. We have washed and soaked beans. And then we also have sliced tomatoes, and we have some sliced onions, and then we also have some palm oil, which is very natural and healthy. And then we also have some smoked fish and salted fish, also known as momone, just to give it some smoky taste. And then we also have our ripe plantain, and then we have some tuna, that is tuna flakes, for the menu. So please join us as we put everything together. So this is our beans. We boil our beans for like 1.5 hours under a medium heat. Please do not add salt to it. As you can see, I haven't added any salt to it. I will add a little salt when the beans is ready. You can see boiling with lots of water. So you can see my beans is almost cooked. But still at this point, I haven't added salt to it. I'll add a little salt when my beans is cooked. But I want my beans to be very soft, so I'll mash it a bit at this point, so I'll get a nice and firm texture. At this point, my beans is cooked to my taste, so I'll add a pinch of salt. Stir a bit. You can see it's fluffy, it's soft. So I just allow it to boil for just 2 minutes. Then I start with my stew. So this is my sliced ginger, tomatoes, salted fish, a little pepper. So I add my palm oil, and then I allow it to fry for like 5 minutes before I add my cooked beans. Okay, so now my stew is ready, so I add the beans gently so it doesn't splash on my face or in my dress. Then you stir a bit to see the quantity, if it's okay. Or you can add the rest. I have a big family, so I have to add everything so that at least it can be okay for us. At this level, I have added my smoked tuna, a little salt to taste, and a little of adobo. That is just to give it a taste, but if you don't like it, you don't add it to it. You can also add a little Maggi cube. That is if you want it, but I didn't add Maggi cube. So this is my bean stew. As you can see, it's ready. So as you can see, this is my ripe plantain in oil. So I'm frying the plantain for the bean stew. Here, now our bean stew with fried ripe plantain is ready. So you can eat it with curry or not. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. This is Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Catch you later. Bye bye.